In the 80s, I played with building USA 1 and some other RCs. Not many, just a couple. But in 2019, I had a lot of time on my hand, and I went down to a hobby shop in Seattle, and I was looking for a kit, something to keep me busy. And that's when I found out that since I guess in the 80s they don't really make a lot of kits, or at least that's what they told me. They didn't have very good selection. This is in Seattle too, but anyway, so this is the RC that I bought, and it was like 300 bucks or 200, I don't know. I'll look it up. But it took me a little while to put it together. I had cataracts too, so it was difficult to see some of the smaller parts. I've had that repaired, of course. But anyway, then I painted it, and I didn't really know how to paint. I should have put a final coating on it so that it would be maybe a little brighter. I could still do that, but I haven't. I've only ran it maybe 2 or 3 times. It's 2-wheel drive, so. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what re-energized me in 2019 to start playing with RC cars again. At first I wanted to build them, but now I just like videoing them. That's enough of a challenge, I guess. Okay, that's it. End of video.